什么时候要结婚呢？早点生啊，有没有结婚都无所谓啦，年轻一点生还是比较好啦。你再不生你就生不出来了。
Frustrated, I looked to AI for help. Using OpenClaw and Synthetic, I built an AI agent to solve my problem in minutes. Turns my angry messages into sweet messages in my mom's native language. Essentially, it's an AI agent that takes my unfiltered thoughts, makes them nicer, and sends them out for me. It checks in every Monday morning so I can prevent any upcoming unwanted conversations. I can also make any workflow change by talking to OpenClaw on WhatsApp. Vibe coding on your phone is so convenient, especially when it sent your original message. Yikes. Let's try again. Nice, now let's go over the build process. Head over to openclaw.ai and scroll down to Quick Start. But please note before you install it, there are security risks. Definitely do some research first. Use your terminal to install, then open the program. Next, initiate Quick Start, then add your provider. Synthetic is the best open source LLM provider that's privacy first. It gives you access to almost any open source model at a pretty good price. Next, choose channel and start vibe coding.